Hey, what's up everyone? Behind me here is the WEN belt sander and disc sander combination that I used to help my daughter actually shape her Pinewood Derby car. Used it for a couple of times. Let's give you my honest thoughts and an honest review after using it. To start off, this is what comes in the box. So you obviously get the sanding unit itself, you get the instruction manual in the box, and then they also give you an Allen key to adjust some of the screws on here and some of the work surface. There is a little bit of assembly first. So the little table here for the belt sander and the guard up here for the belt sander, you have to attach those. And they're just attached using a couple of Allen key screws here on the back. As you can see them here, basically they give you the Allen keys to get the screws in there. And then over here, there's actually a thumb screw here to adjust the height of this particular table. Now, I used mine mostly in the upright position. The belt sander actually rotates 90 degrees from a vertical to horizontal like you saw there before, but the belt sander here is fixed. Now, talking about the disc part of the sander, we actually have this table that you can adjust. You've got adjustments here for the degrees, so if you want to put a precise angle on whatever it is that you're sanding. Same thing with this table here. If you loosen up this little thumb screw, you can also adjust the amount of degrees that you're going to be sanding by. So for instance, if we wanted to put kind of a 15-degree tilt over here and then a 15-degree angle on the piece of wood, we could do that with just these two adjustments. Now the unit does come with a sanding disc and a sanding belt already on it, and it's fairly coarse. It doesn't say what it is, but I want to say it feels about a 180 grit. Might be a little bit coarser than that. So, but again, this is a standard 6-inch disc. You can get whichever one that you want. So to turn the unit on, there's a little switch down here. I'll turn this on. As you can see, we have the 15-degree slope here, and then we've also got the 15-degree slope going the other way. So you can do this for edges and angles that aren't exactly square. Now, to form the front of the car and get some of these curved shapes that you see here, I used the top of this in the vertical position, and I used it freehand. So for instance, if we just turn this one on here, as you can see, I now have that nice little curve there on the edge, and that's basically what I used to shape that. So I used the curve here of the belt sander to kind of get these curves and kind of freehanded it here. And because of the coarse grit, again, it feels like it's a 180-ish grit. It happened fairly quickly, but you can swap this fairly easily just using their lever, and you can swap and change off your belts if you want something a little bit coarser or finer. Overall, this is a great first machine. I did not have a belt sander or a disc sander. I bought it for this particular project, and I am happy with it. So far, it's done its job. I've only used it twice, but out of the box, it did exactly what I wanted to do, and it was one of the more inexpensive options on the market because I'm not a professional woodworker, and I'm not going to be doing this every single day. So this is great to have in the garage. It fits right here on the workbench. It's the right size, and whenever I need one, it's there. So if you want to go ahead and pick one up, I would definitely recommend this particular product. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.